I see you out there, hardly even paying attention to this car insurance ad. You're probably all, why would I watch a commercial about car insurance when I already have car insurance? Well, let me tell you, hotshot, Compare.com, that's why.
Whoa, why are you so worked up?
Listen, short stem, these people are missing out, thinking they just need to get car insurance once and then never again, never even considering Compare.com. Mr. I'm too good for websites.
Okay.
Probably thinking, oh, I'd have to go to a million websites to find what I need. Who's got time for that? Try dozens of providers from a single website, big guy. Compare.com, fella.
Who are you even talking to at this point?
Him, her, doesn't matter. None of them seem to realize that they could save time and money, and it's literally the easiest thing on the planet, limp leaf.
Actually, isn't doing nothing the easiest thing on the planet?
Listen, Honeycrisp, you're next.
Next for what?
Whatever it is. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm just a very passionate spokesapple.
Compare.com.
The smartest way to shop for car insurance.